This is why you need to trade my strategy. Ah, shit, I'm on the wrong index. Oops. Boom! Bam! Bop! Bada bam boom! Pow! Oh! Oh! Just saying, I won again today. Small win, but it's a win. Cool. So I won today. Um, we had core retail sales at 7:30 a.m. Central Time, right here. Did I care? No. So this was my trade. I here. This is my trade. Basically a 1-to-1. I only risked like $500, a little bit under, and then I only made $500. Small ass day for me. But the reason I risked so little for this whole entire week was because of the fact we had PPI, CPI, Trump speaking every single fucking day. And then we also had, shit, what did we have? Oh, Jerome Powell, my boy, was speaking as well. So yeah, this is what happened in turn of that. I'm going to tell you guys how I got this trade, how I got this bias, how I got everything. So let's rewind. Just saying, this was the same exact fucking trade I took yesterday. Just saying. Anyways, what happens? What do we have on ES? We have this tiny ass hourly fair value gap right here. Price is still respecting it. What do we also have? We have London highs right here. So instantly, what am I looking at? Literally, this is all we got. I'm not going to go over anything else because there's no reason to. On NQ, this is what we have. This is what price is looking like. And guess what happens? ES breaks into, right here, breaks into this hourly high right here, this hourly fair value gap. NASDAQ is all the way bumfuck down right here. This is the hourly high. The blue is London. Okay. What do I go down to? I go down to the 5-minute. What am I looking for on the 5-minute time frame? 5-minute confluence. 5-minute confluence right here. Look what happens. Price didn't hit this hourly high. Price instead took out this 15-minute fair value gap right here. Price has liquidity. Price has a place to go. ES is already up there. High confluence. High everything. Boom. What am I looking for? This 5-minute confluence you filled. So, what do? I see this 5-minute confluence get filled. And guess what happens? Right in this 5-minute confluence, a fair value gap gets put out. Cool. We get an inverse fair value gap. Boom. I take a trade off of this. I target London highs because it was a better risk to reward. I wasn't wanting to do this. And yeah, it was like fucking 7 ticks. 7 ticks on my dick, bitch. I don't give a fuck. Anyways, this is what happens. I get filled roughly at 23. So I got way better of a fill than I thought it was. So I ended up risking less, making a little bit more. Completely okay with that. Right here was stop loss. Why? I have no fucking idea. I probably should have put it down right here, but I didn't. Because I was like, 1-to-1 risk to reward. Let's just go right here. Cool. Went right here. Better risk to reward. Less risk. More reward. Cool. What else do we get right here? Nothing. I'm just going to let this fucking trade play out if I can. There we go. Boom. Hits the hourly high. Oh shit, it's going to have a huge rejection. What do? Stop loss to break even, bitch. No risk-free trade. I am so confident these London highs are going to get taken out. Why? ES took it out. Now I'm like extra confident that they're going to take it out. So I was like, okay, break even. I'm not going to exit early because I'm not a little fucking pussy. And yeah. So guess what I did? Boom. Oh, it's going to hit it. Oops. It hit it. I made $500. Simple. No, it's not a big day. No, I didn't make as much money as I could have, but I followed my risk, especially for this week, because this week was fucking terrible. The news for this week was awful. Guess what? I followed my risk plan. I followed everything I had to. And guess what I did? I took a winning trade. I won twice this week and I lost once. I fucking traded 3 times in a week with PPI, CPI, FOMC, and Trump speaking every single fucking day. If that's not telling you that price is getting good, I don't know what the fuck is. Anyways, this was my trade. I took a winning trade. I did not have more than one take profit. There was no reason for me to have more than one take profit. This was my trade. Oops. Stops right here. Cool. This is what happened. Super fucking simple. If you guys are like, what the fuck is going on right now? This is such an easy trade for me. 1.66 risk to reward. This is such an easy trade for me. And guess what? It happens every single time it's happened. I've taken a winning trade. Just saying. Look what happens. Price has got to follow. Price took out this hourly. Price has got to follow on NASDAQ. NASDAQ is lagging. Price has to follow. Free fucking game right here. Price has to follow. If you guys have watched this and actually write this shit down, price has to fucking follow to this hourly high that NASDAQ hit. Or NASDAQ didn't hit it yet. ES did. Boom. Super fucking simple. Bam. Winning trade. I don't know. There's nothing much for me to say. I've been very risk off this whole February because fucking news has been terrible. And so, guess what? I'm managing my risk by not risking a shit ton of money. That's all I got for you guys today. A little bit longer than usual. And yeah, super simple trade. This is what the market's looking like right now. Yeah. There was a trade. Guess what? Stopped them out, break even if for anyone remaining. Went up, stopped everyone out unless they put their stop loss right here, and then guess what? Went higher. Seeking out liquidity to get more to go up higher. Means you took the right fucking trade. I've been saying that for months. That's what I got for you guys today. Hopefully you enjoyed this. Super simple day today. Nothing else for me to say, so I'm going to just leave it at that. Peace.